Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sujat and you're watching Blender Point. This is basically an update on my latest product BuddyCode, and right now it can auto execute its own codes written by the large language models by itself. So let's check what it does at the moment.
So what you see here is basically an unedited run through of BuddyCode and one of its tools. So here what it does, it goes through all the text pairs of input and output, input and system prompts, input and system prompts, and they go ahead and make it so that it runs in a loop, and the last response is given as the input to the second response, and from the second response it continues on and on for n number of pairs, text pairs and input pairs, right? System prompt pairs and input pairs. So this is what it is. So go through this, and if you want to skip ahead and see what it actually did, you can go through all this. You can skip through the scene and you would find it there. So, but again, I would ask you to completely go through the whole unedited thing, because it's fascinating to see how this LLM works. So, having said that, I thank you for supporting me in this journey, and I would really love to get some comments and some feedback on this. So I hope you all do well. Thank you. We will see you next time.